What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Malin, I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, no edit Malin in the building. No notes Malin in the building, you feel what I'm saying? But today, y'all have been requesting me to do a two-strand twist video or something like that. So I have one two-strand twist that's still currently in because y'all know that's just my daily style. But look, bruh. Introducing the new dread talk, man. First link in the description if you want to talk about your dreads. So if you want to talk to me about your dreads or be in a potentially be in the video, right? First link in the description, dread talk. Go check it out. $3 a month. That's all it is, bro. Make sure you go check it out. Make sure you go into it, right? First link in the description. All right. So other than that, bro, you know what I'm saying. So today we're gonna be doing the two-strand twist retwist video. You dig what I'm saying? So. We only got one two-strand twist that we only fuck with. You know what I'm saying? I mean, of course, we can two-strand twist the whole head, bro, my nigga. But look, we leaving that up to somebody else. But ain't gonna. Or we gonna do that like later on this year. But today I'm gonna focus on this one two-strand twist that I still got in my head. And yeah, bro. So with me, bro. You feel me? I got the oil. I got the aloe. You feel me? I gotta have the black seed and the aloe, my nigga. You dig? So I got the aloe. And I don't have anything else. Shit, I'm gonna use the aloe in my hands pretty much. I thought I had like a comb or some shit. I ain't even got no comb, bro. You feel me? That part my hair. But a lot of y'all was asking me how I part my hair or how the people at the salon part my hair. They use a comb. I mean, you can use anything. All it is, you just moving hair out the way. You dig what I'm saying? So let's get straight into that. First, I gotta undo my dread jewelry right quick, you dig? So I gotta undo this shit, right? I don't really have no thoughts about anybody when I like think of this one two-strand twist in the front part of my hair. But I mean, I'm pretty sure somebody out there doing it or some shit. I'll be really focused on myself, bro. I'm not gonna cap you up. Alright, so look, once I undo the dread jewelry, which is right there, I'm gonna undo the two-strand twist. Whoa, it's 3 of them actually. That's crazy. That's why I was looking like one popping out the side. I'm like, yo, why is one popping out? You feel me? But I just found out that it was a three-strand twist. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna retwist the new growth. You feel me? I think I got like 4 months of new growth. But am I retwisting this shit? I'm just sitting here talking to you. Let me really like focus in. They don't say her retwisting this shit, baby. Either that's 2 dreads in one, or that's 3 dreads. I think it's 3 dreads though. I be having a lot of 2 dreads in one though, type situations. Ah, that shit hurt. It kind of grew together. Ah, yeah, for sure. Like this is definitely 2 dreads in one. You know what I'm saying? So. I think they call that like a Congo or some shit, I don't know. But all you want to do is you want to take the 2 separate dreads, right? Take your 2 dreads, right? Part them, you feel me? So, I mean, I'm going to part them with my hands. Y'all can do whatever. But I'm going to apply the black seed aloe oil. You dig? I'm just going to apply them bitches on my fingertips. I don't know how they be doing. I think they be doing this shit with a comb. But, bro, look, bro, we improvising. You dig? So, I'm basically parting this shit with my hand. No lie. Hey bro, I done the side part kind of good though, no cap. You can actually see the line. Go me, nigga. I'm doing the same with the I'm starting off with the right one first. You dig? So the 1 dread on the right, that's what we doing first. I'm still currently parting. And all I'm doing is I'm taking the 2 separate dreads and I'm pulling them away like this. You feel me? So any part that I'm focused on, I'm just pulling them. You know what I'm saying? So I got my 2 parts right here. These ain't the best parts, nigga. These ain't the parts that they be having in a beauty salon, nigga. But look here, nigga, they work. Feel me? I think they be I think the last person who did my hair, she used petroleum jelly, nigga. Nigga, Vaseline, nigga. I'm sitting here using black seed oil, but it's all good though. You know what I'm saying? Probably a quite different result, but So once you part it, bro, once you figure out the 2 dreads that you're gonna have, then you part it, you feel me? Then you just do a simple retwist on one of them. And like I say, at the salon, bro, all it is a twisting motion, my nigga. But at the salon, I'm gonna make sure I get the roots too. At the salon, bro, oh yeah, that's hard. At the salon, bro, like they be they get the black seed oil again, and they retwist with the black, well, not with the black seed oil, with the petroleum or whatever they doing. They really put it on their roots, and then they retwist them. And then most of them come up with their hands also. And this shit difficult for me because I ain't never retwisted my hair first thing. And another thing is, ooh, okay, I got it though, you feel me? And what they do is they retwist that, and then they go all the way to the, they put the, whatever they have, the product, right? They put that all on the one dread. So another thing they do is they have clamps, nigga. They ain't got no clamps, nigga. So y'all gonna have to deal with it. But so I'm gonna just use one hand to hold that. I'm gonna use my next hand to, well shit, I'm gonna let that bitch go. Oh, that bitch dropped too. Oh, that bitch dropped. Oh, okay. Man, I'm finally doing something right. Alright, so then we take the seed oil again, bro. Alright, my goofy ass. My goofy ass. Alright, and I'm damn, talk, nigga. Slow your ass. I'm separating the parts again, and at the same time, I'm putting the oil on my roots at the same time, bro. You feel me? So I grab the dread at the roots pretty much, and I basically do a twisting motion first, and then I come over the top with my hands just to make sure I got all the new growth, I guess, because it feels tighter when I twist it with my palm. So just to make sure I got the new growth, you know what I'm saying? I heat them with one of those, you know, and retwist this one again, because I don't have no what's it called, no clamps to keep them on. But you see it, bro. You see the retwist, my nigga. You see the retwist. All right, so then I'm forgetting my rubber bands too. But y'all know how I said my dreads are growing together, so that's why they look like that. But and I don't care about all the technicality people out there who, to do this, man. Look, I grow my dreads how I want to grow my shit. You feel me? But but so then I take them, bro. Well, you take them and you put them in the two, bro. You know what I'm saying? So you put them in the two, straight from the root. You did. So basically starting at the root, going all the way down, while slowly applying oil to them at the same time, bro. Whoa, whoa, now, whoa, stranger. This ain't looking how we want it to look. Hold on, nigga, I gotta redo that motherfucker. That bitch ain't looking how I want it to look. All right, I'm gonna keep it down. It seems like if you keep it down, bro. Okay, yeah. Cause your ass fuck around. You don't keep this bitch down. This bitch gonna be looking crazy. Nigga be looking crazy, but then towards the end, you just wanna add your little twist motion. You feel me? At the end right here, just add your little twist motion. You know. And then I'm going to reapply. You can put your what's it called? Your rubber bands on that bit, but I'm gonna reapply my dread jewelry. Feel me? So I'm gonna apply that bead right here. I'm gonna apply it a little high, cause y'all know I got those dread. I got that dread that's forming into that other dread. So I'm trying to hold on to that beat too. But shit, I know it don't look the best probably, but shit, I might do my whole head like that. No, but the dread jewelry, bro, that bit, I'm probably gonna have to use another one, bro, cause like what the fuck, this shit trippy. And plus, like, I got my shit like basically a 3-strand twist, basically, nigga, cause of the third dread. But see, this why I can't take this bitch out no more. This bitch be too hectic. You feel me? So look, bro, I would say a decent retwist. This shit being my first time, this and then the third. Look, bro, it ain't got my diamond piece on the back. It ain't got that. Alright, I'm talking about my dread jewelry. I usually have a dread with a diamond on it, but goddamn. But anyways, yeah, bro, shit. The retwist by long as my goddamn hair that's not retwisted. Probably need to retwist my shit, yo. If y'all want a retwist, if y'all want a retwist video, why the fuck can I talk today, bro? If y'all want a retwist video, hit that like button for me down below. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all go join that Dread Talk community down below. First link. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later. Hit that subscribe button. You feel me? Peace.